Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So, in this video, I want to respond to this comment that I got. It was rude, but it was informative too. So, I was like, let me put this out here because I did not know this. I learned as much as you guys are learning from watching videos and YouTubes and, trial and error. But I think that every family should have a care credit card only because you can use it at multiple stores. I don't know, all the locations where you can send it, use it at. Read on this. We're gonna read on it together some right now, but just learn it all. But somebody said, that you can use the care credit for gas. So they're using it for gas, for anything at Walgreens except tobacco and gift cards. They said they bought some food with their care credit card, and they said, please make sure you have your facts right before you put something out there. But I never knew that. We learn something new. We don't know what we don't know. When I have my card, and even if you go to the website, you only assume, which is not good. We shouldn't assume, but we only assume that you can only use it at certain places. So let's check out the Care Credit site, and then let's look at Walmart, because you can use it at Walmart too. And to me, I like Walmart more than Walgreens in terms of using that card, But let's go ahead and check it out. So you can pre-qualify for the Care Credit card without a hard inquiry, which is something that's really amazing. You can put in here, you can see they talking about practice. What are you trying to get done? Which I got my card for cosmetic surgery, to be honest. I never got it, but I got it for that purpose. And also I had to get some dental work done. So I got it just for the dental and cosmetic, which is normally what a lot of people got it for. But if you go down to the bottom, then you will see they have like the animal care, going to the chiropractor, getting some cosmetic surgery, dentistry, dermatology, fitness, funeral services, a lot more. And they're constantly expanding to you guys. So even if you guys have that care credit card, keep checking to see if there's anything new that you can use it for hearing, for lab, for med equipment, pharmacy, sleep, spa. Like what? The spa? Specialist, vision, weight loss. So it's a lot of stuff that you can use this card for. But the reason why I said a lot of families should have this, because to me, it's a great emergency card that you can have. This card to me is never going to replace you having a credit card that will give you cash back. And they don't have like a great interest rate that you will want to use your card on these different things. It's not like they're going like, okay, we'll give you 3% cash back. But if you had an emergency, if you needed to do something, you needed food, you needed these different things, it could be a great use for those things. Now let's go and look at what they say about Walmart. So they're saying, yes, your credit card is accepted at Walmart. So they're saying all you have to do when you're checking out, you have to be at the store or at the club. You use your care credit card first, use that first, and then your qualified health, wellness, and personal care items will be charged to your card. So once you swipe your card, they'll let you know exactly what's going to be taken off. And then remaining, you can pay with whatever you want to pay with. So that's something that's new to me. I never knew that. So let's think about, and let's go over some of the things that they're talking about. So you can use it in a pharmacy. So if we click on more, you can use it in a pharmacy for prescriptions, deductibles, co-pays, prescription pet medication, and then diabetic supplies, over the counter too, first aid, vitamins, cold medicine, some pain relievers, some stop smoking for those people, sleep and snoring aids, probiotics. I do that a lot, vitamins and supplements. Those are some good things that you can use this for. So definitely, I love, love, love that. Now, this is what tripped me out. Baby essentials. Like, what? Baby? Y'all just don't understand. If you have a baby, if you going through anything, you just need, to be able to do these, like get these things, then this would be perfect for a lot of people. It can hold you over till you get paid or whatever the case may be. But look at the different things: diapers, formulas, car seats, teethers, thermometers, baby books, baby toys, activity mats, bath toys, baby food, lotion, powder, car seats, diaper rash, infant apparel, their clothes. Like, what? I never knew any of this. Strollers. That's why I said the comment was rude, but it was informative. And that's why I'm teaching you guys these different things too, because I'm pretty sure when you guys hear care credit, you're not thinking about, I'm gonna go get my baby some clothes with this, or I'm gonna go get some food for my baby, or oh my gosh, I didn't get paid like I was supposed to. I'm going through something, I need to get diapers, but I already got a care credit card and I can't use it. Yes, you can. Like, I just think that this is something people should know about. Also, for your vision, you can use it for lens, frames, sunglasses, and then even more too. So for those people that have contact lenses, you can use this for your contact lenses, some cleaner, some wipes, reading glasses, the case for your contact lenses, your exam in general, eye drops. And they did say something about too. If you guys were to go to Walmart Vision, they do have some payment options. You know how they got the promotional things we do like 0% or something like that. They can have those for certain vision plans. So on certain vision things, you just have to go there and see exactly what they can offer because they have it connected with care credit. Now, health and beauty aids. Now, this is something serious too, y'all. Personal care, dental care, hair care. Look at the different things: body moisturizers, body wash, bar soap, deodorant, body powder, body removal, hair removal, hand soap, hand sanitizer, feminine care, incontinence. Like, look at these different things: shaving needs, your hair care. Like, did y'all know all these different things, or is it just me learning all this right now? I did not know this, and I'm thinking like I need to get my care credit back because I had mine, but I thought I just need to use it for cosmetic. But this was a while ago too, though. Maybe, I know for sure this is newer stuff that they have because this article I found when they said yes, now you can start using it. So y'all look at the different things that you can use it for: shaving, shampoos, hair regrowth, oils, hair flat irons, hair curling irons, hair rollers, hair brushes, like y'all, toothbrushes, toothpaste. I never knew any of this, but that's good that they left this comment because now I'm able to teach it to you guys, and you guys will be able to know. Dental services, we already know like they have the Walmart Health. You can use it at their urgent care, medical, primary, but they're saying too, it's only available at select locations too. Now, for pet supplies, you can use it for your pet food, feeding accessories, toys, flea and tick, collar leashes, crates and beds, and accessories. So you can use this for a lot of different things too. So here's the thing about the promotional finance that I was telling you about. So at the National Vision, they may have some type of promotional financing that you guys will be able to use your care credit with. You can see it right here. So that's something you can think about. And they said if your car not working, make sure y'all call them at customer service. You can only use it in person. You cannot use it like online. You have to use it in person. So that's something else too. But definitely check this out. Like I said too, this is good for like emergency. I think every family should have it because they could give you like a higher limit. You can pre-qualify for this credit card without a hard inquiry, which is something I really, really like too. I like the thought that you can just pre-qualify without a hard inquiry, and they'll let you know yes or no whether or not they can give you that credit card without hard inquiry. So that is what I want to show you all. And this is the pre-qualification screen. Again, it's not going to be any impact to your credit because it's going to be a soft inquiry, not a hard inquiry. So definitely check it out. They don't have an annual fee, so you can keep the card. My card, to be honest, it closed due to inactivity. I had nowhere to use it, y'all. It closed due to inactivity, but I'm thinking about getting it back, like for just have it as emergency. Like, I have like my Tumo and those things. I have other credit cards that give me rewards as emergencies too, but there's nothing wrong with having this one too because you can use it for dental. I have a dog, I have different things, so we can use it for multiple things. So definitely check it out, you guys. Go ahead and get y'all a card. And let me know if you guys have any questions. And let me know in the comments, like, if you guys knew all of this, or is it just me that just did not know? Like, let me know. And thank you to the person for leaving a comment and telling me about that because now I know more. Thank you. And talk to you guys later.